Have you ever wondered about the importance of substructure in construction and how it's built? Today, we delve into the fascinating world of substructure construction, an essential, yet often overlooked aspect of building design. A substructure, the portion of a building that is usually below ground level, provides the necessary support and stability to the superstructure, the visible part of the building above ground. Without a solid substructure, the integrity of the entire building is at risk. The first step in substructure construction involves site investigation. This crucial phase uncovers the site's geological conditions, including the soil type, water table level, and potential hazards like contaminants or seismic activity. All these factors determine the design and type of substructure that can be built on the site. Once the investigation completes, the next phase is the design of the substructure. Engineers use the information gathered during the site investigation to plan the foundation type, whether that's a shallow foundation suitable for stable soils or a deep foundation used when the soil is less stable. The design must also account for the load of the superstructure, ensuring the substructure can adequately support it. Following the design phase, the construction process begins with excavation. Excavation creates the necessary space for the foundation and substructure. This process requires heavy machinery and skilled operators to ensure the excavation is accurate and safe. After excavation, the team moves on to the next step, which is setting up formwork. Formwork is temporary or permanent molds into which concrete or similar materials are poured to shape the substructure. The formwork needs to be sturdy and accurately placed to ensure the final structure matches the design specifications. Next, the construction crew pours concrete into the formwork. This process requires a careful balance of timing and precision to ensure the concrete sets correctly without forming cracks or air pockets. Once the concrete cures, the formwork can be removed, revealing the newly constructed substructure. This substructure now provides a solid and stable base on which the superstructure can be built. To wrap up, the construction of a substructure is a complex process that involves several steps. From the initial site investigation to the final removal of the formwork, each stage plays a crucial role in ensuring the substructure is strong and stable, capable of supporting the superstructure that sits on top of it. In this video, we've taken a journey through the process of substructure construction, highlighting its importance in the overall building design. We've explored the steps involved from site investigation, design, excavation, setting up formwork, pouring concrete to the removal of formwork. Each step is integral to the success of the overall project, ensuring the safety and stability of the constructed building. Understanding substructure construction allows us to appreciate the complexity and importance of this foundational aspect of construction. It's not just about what we see above ground. What lies below is equally, if not more, critical to the success and longevity of a building.